parts of speech. In English, there are 8 main types of parts of speech, and these types are further divided in subtypes. We will cover these subtypes in our next session. So, the types are as follows: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. The first is noun. Then, what is a noun? The definition of noun is so simple: a word which is used as the name of a person, place, or thing that is called as a noun. Means any object that we can see have a name. This name of an object is a noun. For example, Rushi is a rich boy. Ramesh plays cricket. Will you tell me what are the nouns in the following examples? No, Rushi and Ramesh is not only nouns. Rushi, boy, Ramesh, cricket, all are the nouns. So, next is pronoun. Then friends, what is a pronoun? A word which is used instead of a noun is called as a pronoun. I repeat, what is a pronoun? A word which is used instead of a noun is called as a pronoun. Instead means in a place of a noun. For example, he drinks a juice. She folded a paper. In last example, we hear that Rushi is a rich boy. If we don't have to take a name of Rushi, then what we will put in the example? We will put he in the example because it is an alternative word. That's why it is a pronoun. In following examples, what are the pronouns? He and she are the pronouns. So friends, next is adjective. What is the adjective? A word which tells more information about noun is called as adjective. For example, the sky is a blue. Rakesh's house is a huge. So friends, in the given example, the sky is blue. Which word is giving more information about noun? The word blue describes the color of the sky, which is the blue. And in next example, Rakesh house is huge. The huge word confirms the size of a house. Hence, we can clearly understand that the Rakesh house is huge. Are you getting me, friends? So let's go to verb. What is a verb? A verb is actually an action verb. If we have to define it, it can be defined as a word which expresses action is called as a verb. For example, Vijay writes letter. Manish paints pictures. In the given example, something is happening. What is happening in first example? The process of writing is happening in the first example. Therefore, the word write is a verb. And in the next example, the process of painting pictures is happening. So that's why paints is an verb. So let's go to next, adverb. Then friends, what is the adverb? A word that adds more information about place, time, manner, cause or degree to a verb. An adjective, a phrase or another adverb is called as adverb. The simple trick to find adverb is suffix ly. Yes friends, suffix ly means in adverbs, most of the adverbs such as slowly, and constantly, quickly, they consist the suffix ly. Means most, there about 98% of adverbs consist the suffix ly. And there is an exception, friends. Fast. The word fast cannot be talked as fastly because the word fast is already an adverb. So friends, for a given example, Ritesh eats mango greedily. She ran quickly. The suffix ly mentions that the greedily is an adverb. And in the next example, quick has been added with suffix ly. Therefore, quickly is an adverb. So friends, let's go through preposition. Preposition describes itself. Preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word of group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, or locationer. Here, preposition also describes place, time, or something. For example, the treasure is hidden under the flag. Listen carefully, friends. The treasure is hidden under the flag. Means in this given example, word under is an locationer. It locates that the treasure is hidden under the flag. And in next example, we will attend lecture in a classroom. So where we will attend lecture in a classroom? That if we ask question where, then we will get answer in a classroom. That's why preposition in and under are used in following examples. So let's go to conjunction. Now what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are words that connect or link phrases, sentences, clauses, or words together. Means, as we seen that in this 22nd, I think in this 22nd December, that great conjunction occurred. Means what happened? The conjunction of great Jupiter and Saturn are extremely close to each other as appearance. Means what they have done? They come across to each other. Just like in our examples, Nisha will make pancakes and cupcakes. The word and connects that pancake and cupcake. That's why and is in conjunction. Also, in next example, she is feeling happy and joyful. So friends, she is not feeling only happy but also joyful. So these two words are linked by word and. So in a given example, and is a conjunction. Are you getting me, friends? So let's go to most easiest part, interjection. So friends, what is an interjection? An interjection is a word, phrase, or sentence that expresses emotion, meaning, or feeling. Friends, listen the three words: emotion, meaning, and feeling. Most of times emotion is used. As you can see in following example, hurrah, we won the match. Wow, what beautiful word. Note down, friends, a most important tip. If we have to know what are the given interjection, check exclamatory mark as follows in our example. The exclamatory mark after hurrah and the exclamatory mark after wow. So friends, wherever these exclamatory marks are used, then it is an example of interjection. So friends, at last, thank you to all. Please subscribe and like and press the bell icon.